Hello everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. I know I've been gone for a minute. I think I did a couple of tutorial videos and I had to take a little hiatus, but I'm back and I have a few other channels that I'm trying to run also. I've had a few comments or questions from some viewers asking how I get the voiceovers into some of my other videos, so I thought that might make a good tutorial for this channel. So today we're going to talk about how to add voiceovers to your videos using Clipchamp. If you haven't heard of Clipchamp, it is a editing software like website, and they do have a paid version and they have a free version. Today we will just be talking about the free version, and I'm doing just the voiceover only. I'm not going to go into any other editing questions or concerns or how to do this or that. So we're just going to talk about the voiceover only. So you will go to Clipchamp, click on it, and it's going to take you to, you know what, just let me get out so I can show you where it's going to take you here. And you can go to create, and I cannot remember, but I believe you have to have an account, of course, sign up, and of course have free and paid. This is the free version. Create a new video. And click that. Well, there we go. Okay. And I will import some media here, even though we're just talking about sound, just so you can see. And I think I'm going to do we're going to import this tiger video just quickly. Now this video has no sound to it. That's why I picked this one. Okay. We're just going to hear our voiceover in this. Now for voiceover, you want to go to record and create. It is right here. Record and create. Go all the way down. You're looking for text to speech. And I noticed in a lot of these editing websites for your voiceover, it's not labeled voiceover. That's not what you're looking for. You're looking for text to speech. That is normally what they're calling it. So you click on that, and you're going to have this box, text to speech, and you can pick different languages. I mean, there's hundreds of them. There's probably more for the paid version, but I mean, this is plenty. We're going to use stick with English, and you have different personalities that you can pick from all the way down. And we'll just stick with Jenny for the sake of this video. You can pick how you want your voice to sound, the type of personality. So excited, friendly, terrified, shouting, type of emotion. I'm going to go with excited so you can pick up on it. You can pick how fast or slow you want the person to talk. And you can pick the tone of their voice, low, medium, high. I'm going to stick with medium. And then you just type in the phrase that you want the voice to generate. And we're going to say, hey. And you can preview it right here before you ever save it to your media file.
Hey, what's up?
And there you go. And if you wanted to try a different voice, let's pick a different one. Let's go with Brandon. Let's check Brandon out. Let's see. Now with Brandon, if you notice, you can't change the voice style. Some of them you can, some of them you can't. Now if you go with the paid version, you probably can do however you wanted to do it, but since this is the free version, there are some limitations. Clipchamp wants to make their money too, so if you want to change some of them, you do have to pay. But let's hear Brandon. Let's see.
Hey, what's up?
And there you go. And then you save that to your media over here.
Hey, what's up?
Add it to your video. You see that it dropped it over here. Let me move this bar. It dropped it right here. Now you can move it. It does not have to stay where you drop it. You can move it anywhere in the video you want it to be. You just pop it right there. I'm going to hit play.
Hey, what's up?
And there you go. That's your voiceover. I hope this helps you guys. I will be back with something else. Don't forget to subscribe. If you got anything out of this video, hit like. Like I said, I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later.